Montage.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Good day mga kateki! This is Reven Vinzon, your project manager here at Primetech. So today we are excited to present to you our prototype motherboard. But before we begin, let us first showcase our top 5 proud components. And to continue, here is Paul Gabriel Obando, our presentation lead, to discuss design concept, development process, function, and features.
Good day again, everyone. I'm Paul Gabriel Obando, presentation lead of our company, which is the Primetech. And today we are proud to present our motherboard prototype, a project that showcases our understanding of computer hardware design and assembly. This prototype is designed to perform the essential computing function while keeping efficiency, simplicity, and cost in mind. So as you can see, I have here our project motherboard.
So, ano nga bang motherboard?
A motherboard is the main circuit board inside a computer. It connects all the parts of the computer like the CPU, memory, storage, and other components so they can work as one system. And our initial design concept was focused on creating a motherboard that's simple, compact, functional, and easy to build. We plan to place the CPU at the center to allow proper heat distribution with the RAM slot close by to ensure the fast data access. We also include the essential ports, the USB, HDMI, and audio to make the usable for basic tasks. The idea was to mirror the layout of an ATX motherboard but simplified to match our prototype level. Here's the components of the use: a CPU fan, RAM slot, heatsink, and GPU socket. And like USB, HDMI, can you see? And a basic heat, we also designed the pathway to simulate data and a power flow across the board. Every component was positioned for logical connectivity and physical stability. And now for our building process. In our building process took multiple sessions. On the first day, as can you see here, we are brainstorm and finalize the layout. On the second and third day, we began creating the actual components, serving some connection. On the fourth day, on testing placement, ensuring that each part was correctly aligned. On the fifth day, we complete the assembly and perform the visual inspection and simulating check to ensure functionality.
And for our challenges and solutions, during the development of our prototype motherboard, we faced several challenges. One of the main difficulties was aligning and connecting the components properly, especially when dealing with small pins and connectors. We solved this by using a detailed component placement plan and practicing careful soldering techniques. Another challenge was ensuring that each part worked together without a short circuits. To overcome this, we tested each section step by step instead of doing everything at once. We also struggled with time management because balancing schoolwork and deadlines was tough. To fix this, we assigned roles to each member and followed a weekly task schedule to stay on the track. And to conclude, Building this motherboard prototype taught us the importance of teamwork, patience, and planning. We realized how critical accuracy and testing are in electronics designs. Through this project, we improved our critical skills and our ability to solve problems under pressure. If we were to improve the project further, we would upgrade the layout for better cable management and explore using more advanced components like microcontrollers and to expand its functionality. Overall, this experience was both challenging and rewarding, and it helped us understand how real-world hardware systems are created. Let us now move on for our question and answer.
What was your initial design concept for the motherboard?
Our initial design concept was to create the simplified educational version of the motherboard that clearly show how different components are connected and work. We wanted the layout to be clean, labeled, and easy to follow.
How did you plan in the layout, like a CPU, RAM, chipset, or etc.?
We follow a typical ATX style layout where the CPU is placed near the center, the RAM slot are positioned beside it, and the chipset is located below. We also added the clear labels and lines to represent data path and power connection to help visualize how signal flow across the motherboard.
What materials did you use? And what do they represent?
We use illustration board for the components like CPU, RAM, and GPU, and coloring materials. Each materials was chosen to keep the project proper and easy, visually clear.
What challenges did you encounter and how did you overcome them?
One of the biggest challenges was showing the complexity of real motherboard connection in a simple and understandable way. We overcome this by focusing on only the most essential components and using color-coded labels to simplify explanation. Another challenge was align the components accurately, which we solved by carefully measuring and using scaled layout.
Would your prototype help a beginner understand how a motherboard works?
Yes, our prototype is designed especially for beginners. It clearly showed the main components, their function, and how they connect. The visual layout helps user grasp how data moves through the system, which makes learning easier and more interactive.
We hope you enjoyed the presentation. This is Team Primetech signing off.